Hi guys, it's Dr. Chris Brown here. Now, I thought I'd answer some of your pet questions thanks to Optimum and Pet Circle, and you certainly have some beauties. I've got one here from Joan in Wollongong, New South Wales. Joan wants to know, how do you stop a 3-year-old Pomeranian dog from spinning? She has luxating patellas in both hind legs, so it's important to stop straining them with constant spinning. Well, Joan, I guess you first of all have to understand why your Pom might be spinning. Usually it's attention-seeking. So Poms always want to be the centre of your world, and when they're not for just a second, they create little behaviours that you find hard to ignore, and spinning is certainly one of those. If a dog's spinning in the lounge room, you want to say something to them. You want to pick them up. You want to give them some sort of attention, and that means your dog kind of wins. So the key really is to try to ignore the spinning, even walk out of the room. I would often recommend walking out of the room, banging some pots and pans together, ringing the mobile phone, ringing the house phone, creating a diversion, or even bouncing a ball. If you create that diversion, what you do is you distract them out of that behaviour without rewarding them for it and without reinforcing them. So it's a bit of a challenge to do that, to ignore something so obvious. But if you work on that, there'll be less spinning, and over time they realise the spinning doesn't get attention. And in terms of the luxating patellas in both hind legs, get your vet to consider operating on those. It's a relatively simple operation, and if you get that done right, then you won't have to worry about those legs potentially undergoing too much strain in the future. It's a bit of a challenge. You're obviously dealing with a dog that loves your attention and loves you. So for every downside, there is an upside, and that is it.